Hey there, YouTubers. This is the Crypto Angel, your tricks and tips from the internet. So this morning, Coinbase has been giving away some free money, some free crypto money. And what did they give us? They gave us a new coin called, let's find out here, Celio. Let's go to home. So this is Coinbase. They're giving away free airdrops. So this is what I got this morning. It's $6, €5 and 8 cents. And I'm going to be showing you how to invest this to make a lot more money and how I've been using Coinbase to even use the trading exchange. So as you can see, all the prices are down at the moment. It's a great time to come in. So they've given us free crypto today, which is a perfect day to get the free crypto. So what did we get? We got this Celo, which is down the bottom here. Can you see Celo? Which is defined as CGLD, which I earn on Coinbase Earn, which is here. Earn crypto. They'll ask you 3 easy questions, which I'll give you the answers to right now. So as you can see in my portfolio, which I received this morning, here you go, look. 14th of September, which is the date of this video, 14th of September 2020, I received 3 payments of $2, which is worth 0.7129, around there anyway, for each payment. So basically, as you come further down, we'll go and see the portfolio. That's where I earn Dash on Coinbase, CoinPot, which is my favorite site for earning free crypto money. Which, if you are interested in, you can look into my videos and you'll see other videos on CoinPot, sorry, with free faucet links at the bottom of the video. But today we're talking about Coinbase and free airdrops. So Celio, what we're going to do with this €5 worth of Celio is invest it in something where we can get basically interest. And on Coinbase, there is 2 ways of getting interest at the moment. Look at this, rewards, lifetime rewards. So if we click on lifetime rewards, we'll see that we'll earn interest if we invest in 1 Dia or even 1 Tezos, which I think is like $1 something. I think Dia is 80 cents. So what we're going to do is invest $2 in each of them, or even half. I mean, I've got a feeling this Celo is going to go up. It will go up by about 10 cents per coin, which means I could push this to €5 and 50 cents, and most probably wait and then change it over to the 2 that are interesting me down here. But if we look into it, you have to see that you won't get interest paid straight away. You'll get paid interest after 30 days. Oh, I've gone into buy now. That was a mistake. Let me just go back. So let me go back down. Sorry about that. If I invest in this right now, let's press on the question mark. So basically, I haven't received any yet because I haven't put anything in there, which I'm going to do right now. Rewards pending, so I can make further videos on this. The estimated rewards that haven't been added to your account yet. The first reward should appear about 5 days after each purchase or transfer. And if we look, oh, that's pretty quick. That's pretty quick because I read the other one, and it doesn't work the same. So this one will pay you 5 days after. And then you'll get a reward every single day. That's with Dia. But with the Tezos, it's slightly different. You have to keep the money in for 35 to 40 days. And then you'll receive a reward every 3 to 6 days. Okay? So let's have a look at the staking reward. It is 4.6. And we'll come into the other one. Dia. And see the difference. I would like to profit for this moment just to say thank you for liking and subscribing. That was really great of you guys to help me, encourage me in my videos, and also encourage me to even collect more crypto and find more ways of getting free crypto. So anyway, what did I do this morning? We got the free Celio this morning. As you can see, we've already started to make a little bit of profit. We're at €5 and 13 cents. We'll put it on the 24-hour clock to prove that I haven't actually cheated. 24-hour, here we go, look, watch. So I did have nothing. We'll put it on the 24-hour clock. Done. and we'll actually see the profit. Now we're on the 24-hour clock. You see I received it at 6 o'clock this morning, and it's starting to make profit. So we're also stocking extra profit on the side. Like we said, the Tezos and the Dia, that's what I did. I took it all out of Celio, lucky because it was losing money this morning, and I pumped it into here. These two are actually making profit right now and will be unblocked in 5 days as from now. How do we check about the profit? It's just going into the portfolio right here. We'll come back down and we'll see the profit actually every second, and you'll see it pump into my account. There you go. That's the lifetime rewards. It's only been since this morning, and if I click on that, you'll see what is what and how much each one is making. So let's click on that, and there you go. And as you can see down here, I'll keep you updated. Thank you for really being there, and I hope you enjoyed these free crypto tips. If you do not have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you the link at the bottom of the video. All right, peace out. Love you guys. Speak to you soon.